from Paddy's land, I'm a raking, rambling man. Since I was young I've had the urge to roam. So don't you weep for me when I'm sailing on the sea, for you won't see me till I come rolling home. Rolling home to Ireland, rolling home across the sea, back to me own country. 2,000 miles behind us and 1,000 more to go, so fill the sails and blow, winds blow. We sailed away from Cork, we were headed for New York. I'd always dreamed a sailor's life for me, but the days were hard and long, with no women, wine or song, and it wasn't quite the fun I thought would be. Rolling home to Ireland, rolling home across the sea, back to me own country. 2,000 miles behind us and 1,000 more to go, so fill the sails and blow, winds blow. We weren't too long a sail when the wind became a gale. Our boat was tossed and turned upon the foam, with waves like mountains high. Well, I thought that I would die, but I wished to God that I was rolling home. Rolling home to Ireland, rolling home across the sea, back to me own country. 2,000 miles behind us and 1,000 more to go, so fill the sails and blow, winds blow. And when I reach the shore I will go to sea no more. There's more to life than sailing round the Horn. Good luck to sailor men when they're headed out again. I wish them all safe harbour from the storm. Rolling home to Ireland, rolling home across the sea,